Hello and welcome back to this course. In our previous video, we have discussed about the our own throw and the Java by default catch mechanism. I can also type here the try catch block. For example, if I want to use my own try catch, I simply just after this line I type here try. Now I have to write all the code in the try block that has a relationship with this line that is dependent on this line. And in this case, these two lines are dependent on this line. So I type these lines in the try block, and just after that I type the catch block, and the catch block I type here you can say the arithmetic exception, because here I am throwing the arithmetic exception. So here I type here the arithmetic exception which I want to catch. So I type here arithmetic exception E, and just after that I print a statement here, system.out.println our catch, like this, and I type here e.get message. Okay, so now we have used our own try catch, and also we have used our own throw mechanism here. And now if I run this program, you will see our catch block is executed. You don't have enough balance, and our program is going to continue. Now we get the exception on this line. We throw this exception, and the lines after that is not going to execute, because we know that in try block, whenever we get exception, the remaining lines are not going to execute. So these lines are not executed, and we will throw the exception that we don't have enough balance. And when we throw the exception, we throw the object of the arithmetic exception. The catch block catch that object and print the message on the screen. And after that, our program is going to continue. You can see this line is outside the try catch. Our program is going to continue has been printed on the screen. In this way, we can write our own try catch block, and we can also throw our own exception explicitly. Now, exception handling is very important in the programming to create an application, because exception handling make our application robust, that has no errors in them. This is now in this example, this is the basically error. Now for Java, this is not an exception, but in the eyes of human, this is a very big exception, that the withdrawal amount is less than the that withdrawal amount is greater than the balance. So this is the arithmetic exception. So we have handled this exception by using our try catch and our own throw mechanism. So I hope that you understand. Now this is the unchecked exception. Arithmetic exception, null pointer exception are types of the unchecked exception, and in our next video we will discuss about the checked exception, that what is checked exception and how we can handle them. So I hope that you understand this video. So if you feel any problem, you can definitely ask me a question, or you can message me. I will definitely help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.